I'm here in Ahmedabad at the Tata Indian Institute of Skilling. I'm actually very happy to be here to see a phenomenal initiative by the Tata Group to set up the very compelling need of skilling for future jobs and future skills. And I think this is, to my mind, what I saw is something very, very comprehensive, one of its kinds initiative by Tata Group, which actually transcends many sectors and many technologies in terms of skilling. And I have had the opportunity of meeting the students who are studying here. I think the kind of transformation one can see in some of those students who've come out of colleges and schools is phenomenal. Given the kind of training, whether it is automation, whether it is Industry 4.0, EV manufacturing, EV vehicles, battery technology, then of course typical automation in manufacturing, whether it is additive manufacturing or robotics and welding processes. I think what good thing is that you're handling both the core as well as the new technologies. And I think, to me, that is really the skill set required. And of course, we also had a phenomenal discussion in terms of other softer skills of collaboration, resilience. I think so. In my view, a great institution. I think this is setting the right foundations for India, which can provide skills not only for India but for the world.